Hey there, it's the Minute Admin. In this video, we'll preview and test the email we created in the last video. If you haven't seen that video, click the pop-up on the screen or click the link in the description below to watch that one. Up to this point, we've built our resort data extension, we've imported our subscribers into the resort data extension, and we've created the email we're going to send to our subscribers. Now it's time to test that email and see what we've built. If you haven't already, make sure to download the free ebook that comes with this project so you can get in-depth guidance on how to do this project. So go to the link in the description below to get your free ebook. Now let's start previewing and testing our email. So I've exited out of the email that we created in the last video, and I'm going to show you how to get back to that email once you've exited out of that email. Let's hover over Email Studio and click on Email, and then click on Content, and make sure that you click on your Resort Images folder that you created, and click on Resort Email. And since we finished editing everything about this email, all we need to do is click this drop down arrow right here and click Preview and Test. But if you haven't finished editing everything in your email, you may want to click Edit and then edit the content in your email. But since we finished editing all of the content, we'll go ahead and click this drop down button and click Preview and Test. So to preview and test, we need to preview with the people that are in our data extension. So we'll go ahead and click this little blue folder right here, and we'll click Data Extensions, and click Resort Data Extension. And we can go ahead and click anybody in this data extension here. So I'll go ahead and click Peter here, who's interested in surfing, and his ideal resort location would be Fiji. So click Select once you click on anybody here. And as we're previewing this email, we can see that the personalization strings fill in correctly. So it says, "Come and vacation with us in Fiji." So if we look at Fiji here, we can see that the resort location is Fiji over here to the left. And then if we keep reading, we can see not only can you enjoy our many world-class luxuries, but you can also take advantage of our surfing. So we have surfing right here, which is in place of the interest personalization string. And if we look down, then we see the surfing image because Peter's interested in surfing. So this is highly relevant to Peter. So let's go ahead and move on to another subscriber who's interested in something else. So we have Nakia here, who's interested in visiting the Indonesia resort. So we have the resort location as Indonesia. And we see here, not only can you enjoy our many world-class luxuries, but you can also take advantage of our beach volleyball. We have the interest right here filling in. We have that beach volleyball there. And if we scroll down, we have an image for beach volleyball. So that's highly relevant to Nakia, and it's going to get her interested in booking her stay with us at this resort. And if we keep on moving on, and we go to somebody else who's interested in a spa, and their resort location is Hawaii, we can see that Hawaii fills in here, and we can see that spa fills in right here, and we can scroll down and we can see an image for a spa. So Joey here, who's interested in the spa, would go ahead and click this Book Your Stay button. Now let's go ahead and click on this Book Your Stay button and see where this takes us. And we are brought to this Atlantis Bahamas homepage here. Now whenever you create that button, it's going to go to the website that you specify. So let's go back and preview that email some more. And if we scroll down even more, we can click this homepage link and it'll take us to that Atlantis Bahamas homepage here as well. So that's how the email is going to render for our different subscribers. Now let's go ahead and look at what it looks like in a mobile browser. So this is what it looks like in the mobile browser. So if we're looking at this email, we can see what it's going to look like whenever it shows up in someone's iPhone or Android device. So to actually test this email, we'll go ahead and click on this little test send icon right here. and we'll make sure that we have our email address that we want to send this test to in this box right here. And we can add multiple email addresses if we would like. And we want to make sure that we have our send classification specified, so we need to have our sender profile and our delivery profile specified in order to send this test email. So we'll go ahead and click Send Test whenever we're ready to send this test email. So I'll click Send Test now. And when we click that, we can see the one recipient that's going to receive this email, and the one message, and the actual number of sends. And we'll click Confirm and Send. So now that test send has been successfully sent to our email address on file. So let's go to that email and let's see what it looks like in our email. And now we're at our email here. So this is what our email actually looks like. So we have the email header image right here. We have the come and vacation with us in Hawaii. And we have the text here. And we have the button right here. So if we click this button, we're taken to the Atlantis Bahamas homepage here. And when we go back, we can look at the image that we receive whenever we get this email. And we have the social links right here. And we have the homepage link right here, which takes us to the Atlantis Bahamas homepage whenever we click on it. So everything is working correctly in this email. So this is what the email looks like whenever we create it and we send it to our subscribers. So there you have it. If you've gone through all 4 videos, you've created a data extension, you've imported subscribers, you've created the email that you want to send to your subscribers, and you've previewed and tested that email that you want to send to your subscribers. So now you're ready to actually create emails and send to your customers. If you enjoyed this video series, make sure to give these videos a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel, Minute Admin, so you don't miss out on any future Minute Admin videos. Thanks.